Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your featured products on your Shopify. So to do this is pretty simple. So to change your featured products here in Shopify, all you have to actually do is go to your products right here, and then you will have to actually go to your collections right here. So you can change it right here in your homepage or wherever you have stored your products in your Shopify. So here you can search for the product and browse it right here. So you can also edit it, and you can actually sort this, which is pretty simple, by actually go to the product or sorting it with the product title, and then right here. So you can actually sort it manually. So you can sort manual and then drag and drop it to the according place you want it to show in your featured products. And it's just that simple. So basically you just have to go to products collection, and then you will have your featured products right there. So there you go, guys. That is how you change your featured products on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.